Hello students, welcome to session number 8. In this session, I am going to explain the merits or advantage, disadvantages and application of diesel engine power system in module number 2. Okay, so this is session number 8. So here we are going to study the merits, demerits and applications of diesel engine power system. Merits of diesel engine power system. Number one, it is very simple in design and easy to install. Compared to thermal power plant or hydropower plant, it is very simple to design, layout design and easy to install. So the thermal power plant, it requires coal handling, ash handling systems, then high pressure boilers. So design is very complicated, and even in hydropower plant you have to construct a dam, and then you have to construct a hydro power plant. Okay, so it is not easy to install. So compared to that, diesel engine power system is very easy to install. Number one, the plant can be located very near to the load center, unlike a thermal power plant and a hydropower plant. It is not in case of thermal power plant and hydropower plant, it is not possible to install very near to the load center. But in diesel engine power plant, it can be located very near to the load center wherever we want to require power generation for our application. Then the overall capital cost per unit of installed capacity is lesser than thermal and or hydropower plant. As I mentioned earlier, the plant requires lesser operating and supervising staff. It won't require a large number of supervising staff, and fuel handling is easier. No ash handling disposal problem. Only we have to check exhaust gas, and we have to follow the regulations, and we can dump that exhaust gas to the atmosphere with taking proper care. But there is no such difficulty as like a thermal power plant. The cooling water requirement is very less. Then it can be quickly installed and commissioned and can be put on load quickly. It can meet sudden changes in the load without much difficulty. It occupies less space when it is compared to thermal power plant and hydropower plant, and the part load efficiency of the plant does not fall so much as that of thermal power plant, and it uses lubrication system which is more economical than thermal power plant. These are the merits of diesel engine power plant. Next we will discuss about demerits or limitations of diesel engine power plant. In that the size of the unit is limited and very large capacity plants are not possible. The capacity is limited only up to 50 megawatt. If you want to produce 100 or more than 500 megawatt, this is not possible to install. For small capacity only, diesel engine power plant is suitable. The operating cost is high because the fuel cost and maintenance cost. Then lubricating cost and maintenance costs are high. Okay, and the plant cost per kilowatt is comparatively more than other type of power plants. Noise from the exhaust is a serious problem because it is coming under very high pressure. Exhaust gases are coming under very high pressure, so we have to reduce the pressure. Even though we can't reduce in a greater extent, so noise from the exhaust is a serious problem. The life of the plant is limited to only up to 2 to 5 years when compared to thermal power plants. These plants cannot supply overloads continuously. Okay, these are the demerits of diesel engine power system. Next, we will discuss about application or uses of diesel engine power system. We can use as a peak load plants, peak load wherever thermal or hydro power plant or any other power plant cannot meet the required power at peak load condition. We can install one diesel engine power plant in that place as a central power station or captive power station, and we can meet the peak load condition. So we can install diesel engine power system as a peak load plants and mobile plants, as I told, in railways and ships. We can use it as a mobile plants, the standby units in hospitals, in cinema theater, in mall, in college, in school, in any industry. Okay, emergency plant, then nursery station, then starting station, then central stations. So these are the field of uses of diesel engine power plant. With this I will conclude diesel engine power systems, where we studied what are the essential component, what are the engine air intake system, exhaust system, fuel supply system, cooling system, lubrication system, and starting methods. And with this I will conclude. Thank you.